for potatoes.
Potatoes?
They're not that big, but...
They're like this big.
Right, so what we'll do, look. Look around. Oh, those are babies. They're not ready yet. Nope. Oh, here's one.
Yeah.
Take that one.
That's a big one.
Ooh, look at that one.
That big. That we want to eat these?
Yeah.
Whoa. That.
Good one.
Give me. Like this. Like that. Oh. Man. That you can't put them down. Yeah. Man. This one. This one. Well, that one was an egg. Egg. And we find the rod. Whoa. There's some on there.
You're fine.
Them got a house.
Yeah. Alright.
Get away. Get away. And we're not done.
Okay, so potato harvest wasn't that great. It was
Bad.
bad. And I'm thinking it's just because the bed wasn't deep enough. We made a raised bed, keep the dirt in the bed. So I might go double stack. I got another one of these boxes. Stack it higher and see. I just don't think it was deep enough. The majority of them rotted out, so we might do potatoes again, or we might just use this for something else, do like a crop rotation, put our lettuce in there or something. We'll see. Alright, since that harvest wasn't that great on our potatoes, it's all good. It's fine. No biggie. We're just going to replant again and keep trying. So I'm going to put some more potatoes in, and we're going to give it another shot. We'll have lower yields at times, and we'll just replant and see if we can get a higher yield. A lot of those were rotted out, so I put some more fertilizer in here. Alright guys, that's it. Planted our second batch of potatoes. First harvest wasn't that great, so, which is fine. It happens, it is what it is. See ya. Not really a whole lot going on right now. Just been fighting to keep everything warm. Sun decided to heat us up to about 70. We'll see how long that lasts. It's getting ready to sit behind the hills right now, which means we gotta get the fire going. Oh, I did add the rebar supports where our wall was blown out. Now if I was to build another one of these, I would definitely add more T-posts instead of doing a mix of T-post, rebar, fence posting, all that. But yes, I finally got this wall supported. It actually straightened it up quite a bit. Went to the other side, did the same thing because it was blown out. After I did that, my area where it meets and connects at the ends starting to bow out, and there's metal plates on the other side. Now if that keeps pushing out, it's going to end up cutting the plastic. So I got two more pieces of rebar to fix that. Guys, since potatoes are done, now we got to tend to the animals. And I'll do a lot of these vlogs with animals involved, and I should, because they're part of the homestead too, and they matter. Almost ran into something. So that being said, we're going to get our pens loaded up with hay. It's supposed to be down to 18 tonight. Nobody has any bedding. So we'll meet you guys over at the barn. Alright, we're over at the barn. Well, it's not our barn, it's neighbor's barn. They're tearing it down and they're letting us take what was inside. So we're going to just try to collect, not all of it tonight of course, but get a trailer load here. What? You have plenty of bedding for tonight? Yes. Get that off here. What? What? You want to kiss the camera? Yeah? What about you, sir? Come on. Pete. Pig. Come on, bud. There you go. Oh, no biting. Be nice. What? What? I know. Huh? You got enough bedding? Huh? You got enough bedding? Huh? No, you can't bite the camera. Alright, go lay down. Go lay down. They all got bedding. Chickens are good. I done those yesterday. Rabbits, same way. They all got bedding. So I lost my shovel. Where'd it go? Probably up here. Yeah, right up here in the yard. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. Sorry it was short and not really interesting. We did harvest our potatoes. They weren't that great, but it's fine, as everyone fails at least once or more while doing this. I seem to fail all the time, but that's how we learn. Alright, well guys, we're going to wrap it up. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If so, leave a like. Comment down below. Positive comments only. And if there's anything we could help our potato production and yields, let me know. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.